Welcome to Fun with Forms, where we talk about how you can best use Desk Director's forms. I'm Mary Lou Klasa.
And I'm Jazz Vorlich, and this week we will talk about implementing upload file and signature controls on Desk Director forms.
To begin, open the Desk Director admin portal. From there, either create a new form by clicking on New Form or choose an existing form to modify. To include a file upload field, click on Add New Question. Next, access additional options by clicking the three-dot menu and select File. Now, enter the question title and subtitle as needed.
In the file selection box, users will be able to search for and upload their files. Next, to add a signature field, click on Add New Question. Then, access additional options by clicking the three-dot menu and select Signature.
Enter the question title, and then type the subtitle. The signature selection box will allow users to upload and select their signature. Once you've completed these steps, click Save to finalize and save the form.
And that's how you implement upload file and signature controls on your Desk Director form.
See you next time for another Fun with Forms video.